I decided to try a new, voltage test, with this new display on there. So I set full brightness, everything to white, max everything, just to see how much current we could use. And I'm showing 3 amps, pretty much exactly. So that's 3 amps for everything, plus this thing uses up I want to say 700 milliamps. So it's a little less than 3 amps for the LEDs. But I don't know if you can hear it. I came back to my desk and I'm like, what's that fan noise? It sounded like the fan on my PC was clogged or something. Nope. It's the fan and this baby, which I've never heard come on before because I've never used that much power. And then I touched the keyboard to enter my password to unlock it, and I was like, wow, these are warm. So I got my temperature, my thermometer out here, and I was like, I wonder how warm they are. So let's just, for comparison purposes, let's just look at the wood here. Oh, we get 78.8 degrees here in the garage, 77. We'll just say 78, right? So that's like the ambient. Actually, you know what? I'll go over to the wall. It'd be better, because that wood might have been heated up. So yeah, it's like 75 degrees here in the garage, 75 degrees Fahrenheit. And I use Fahrenheit only because it gives me more resolution on this thing. Otherwise I'd use Celsius most of the time, even though I am in the U.S. So let's see how much the keys are. See that? 114, 112. Let's pick one of the bigger ones. I think the center would be hotter because it's closer to where the chip is and whatnot. 118 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, that's pretty warm. So I definitely need to undervolt these a bit, I think. But I mean, hey, if you want a warm keyboard, I don't want to stop you. For reference, when I'm running at 64 brightness, which is super bright, and it's on the rainbow pattern, which isn't all white, it's really only using I want to say 300 and something milliamps, which is nothing. That's not a big deal. So it's really only when you've got it cranked up to the max does it actually use this much power and generate this much heat. But it is wintertime. I mean, it's warm in the garage. I'm here in Florida, but it could be nice to have nice warm keycaps.